Hi, I'm Richard from Budget Nomad. Opening an offshore bank account can be a strategic move to diversify your assets, but the process varies from what you might be accustomed to in your home country. Today, I'm going to walk you through my process for opening an offshore bank account and highlight key considerations. Moreover, I will show the places where you can actually open an account with little effort as a budget nomad. First things first, let's address the most commonly asked question: is offshore banking legal in almost every country? The answer is yes. However, some countries, like the United States, require you to disclose your offshore bank accounts and the funds you hold in them. It's essential to work with tax attorneys or CPAs well versed in international tax laws to ensure proper disclosure. Where to open an account? The location of your offshore bank account depends on your goals and financial situation, but here are some options for budget nomads. Cambodia, the requirements include a passport, proof of address, and a minimum initial deposit, which varies by bank but is typically $500 or less. Cambodia offers relatively fast account opening processes with minimal deposit requirements. Interest rates on deposits can vary, but generally range from 1% to 3%. Philippines. To open an account in the Philippines, you need a passport, proof of address, a tax identification number TIN, and an initial deposit, which varies by bank. The process requires a moderate minimum deposit, typically with various identification documents. Interest rates in the Philippines can range from 1% to 4%, depending on the bank and the type of account. Georgia. Opening an account in Georgia requires a passport, proof of address, and potentially additional documents required by the bank. Georgia offers relatively fast account opening processes with minimal deposit requirements. Interest rates in Georgia are relatively high, often ranging from 8% to 11%, making it an attractive destination for offshore banking. Uzbekistan. Requirements include a passport, proof of address, and a minimum initial deposit, which varies by bank. The process involves moderate paperwork and deposit requirements, often allowing non-residents to open accounts with reasonable ease. Interest rates in Uzbekistan can be quite high, ranging from 8% to 12%, reflecting the local economic conditions. Planning your next adventure? Make sure you're covered with safe-doing travel insurance. Whether it's medical emergencies, trip cancellations, or lost luggage, SafeDoing has you protected worldwide. Travel smart, travel safe with SafeDoing. Get insured today. In Belize, you need a passport, proof of address, and a minimum initial deposit, which varies by bank. Known for its simplified banking processes, Belize offers relatively straightforward account opening procedures. Interest rates in Belize typically range from 1% to 3%, depending on the bank and the type of account. Opening accounts remotely. When it comes to opening an offshore bank account, you have two options: opening remotely or traveling to the country. Remote account opening is possible with some banks, especially those in traditional offshore centers like the Cayman Islands or the Bahamas. However, be prepared for extensive paperwork and potentially longer processing times. For example, if you're considering the Cayman Islands, banks like Capital Security Bank offer remote account opening, as most clients are not likely to visit the islands in person. CRS banking and importance of non-reporting countries. CRS Common Reporting Standard is a global standard for the automatic exchange of financial account information between tax authorities to help combat tax evasion. However, not all countries participate in CRS. Non-reporting countries can provide a level of financial privacy that might be attractive to some individuals. Countries like Belize, Cambodia, and Uzbekistan are not currently participating in CRS, which means your money is hidden. Choosing an offshore bank account in a non-reporting country can provide an extra layer of confidentiality for your financial affairs, ensuring that your account information isn't automatically shared with your home country's tax authorities. Maintaining compliance. It's important to remember that opening an offshore bank account comes with certain responsibilities, including compliance with international tax laws and regulations. Make sure you consult with tax professionals and legal experts to ensure that you are fully compliant with the laws in your home country and in the jurisdiction where you open your offshore account. Conclusion. Opening an offshore bank account can provide numerous benefits, including asset diversification, access to stronger banks, higher interest rates, new investment opportunities, and asset protection. However, it's essential to understand the different types of offshore bank accounts, choose the right jurisdiction based on your needs, and ensure compliance with all relevant laws and regulations. By following the steps outlined in this guide and working with experienced professionals, you can successfully open an offshore bank account and take advantage of the opportunities it offers. For budget nomads, offshore banking isn't just a tool for the wealthy, it's a practical strategy for anyone looking to optimize their financial stability and flexibility while living a global lifestyle. So, where would you open an account as a budget nomad? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. Budget Nomad is here to help you get started. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to ensure you get our new video every day.